So, this is it. This is the end of the Grand Voyage. In a few days, we will sail back into Southampton. Everybody packed their bags, walked out that gangway, and honestly, I don't know if I will ever see most of those people again. 67 days together, then just goodbye. But before that, the last few days on board were busy. Our cruise director honestly did incredible job. Everybody kept so entertained. The Borealis singers performed traditional British song. I'm going to be honest with you, I've never heard most of them before. I didn't understand the half of the lyrics still. I still love them. And then we had a special guest. Now you're watching how she's rocking and performing. Probably mostly rocking. She's standing there and like nothing happened. I don't know how she does that. And my favorite, this is the crew talent show. Okay, this is my one of the favorites on this voyage. Crew talent show, everybody departments come together and show their sides they've never seen before. And because remember, these people see every day in uniform doing their job, then suddenly engine department, the guys keep the whole ship alive and together on the stage, housekeeping, the girl is singing, and from the deck you are watching now the bartending. He's taking all your attention, looking at the floor. Look at how much this ship is rocking, and this man is just not noticing, not even glinching. I guess it was the Filipino traditional dance, and then the Thai dance, traditional Thai dance. And here's the part that gets me. They brought these costumes with them from home all the way across the world in their suitcase, packed between their work clothes, a piece of their country waiting for a night like this. That's what the ship is about, that it's a hotel that floats and 15 nationalities living in a one building. Once in a voyage they show where they came from. Now this is the special evening to me. I was invited to a birthday dinner. This is Susan, the happy birthday girl. That was actually my friend who invited me to join. I didn't expect that day, but it means a lot to me to be part of this celebration.
I would just like to thank you all.
Oh, that's perfect, really. Edison, can you take a picture of all of us?
Then came the farewell show, and guess who decided to join us? Yes, the Elvis. Yes, on the ship in the middle of the ocean, of course. But then something happened that nobody expected. The last night of the voyage turned out the last night of something completely new for them. Congratulations to Anna and Shane. And I sat there thinking, this voyage ends for all of us, but for them it's just the beginning. Okay, now let me take you back. 67 days on a ship. Let me show you how I spent my grand voyage on board of Borealis. Las Palmas. We started here, and the first thing that stopped me was the aquarium. I had never in my life seen one of these big, so beautiful. Standing in front of these glasses and thought I could stay here all day. Just me and fish, no plans, no schedules. Brazil, Rio, then Rio Carnival. People fly across the entire planet for this 1 week. One of the wonders of the world. This is my favorite, my absolute favorite. And I didn't want to watch it from the stand. I went out one of the favelas during Carnival to see how local people celebrated their music, their street, the way. And I promise that it's completely different carnival than one you can see it from the TV. And now here's the crazy part. A couple days after dancing in the heat of Rio, I was standing in Antarctica in a winter coat in their summer. From carnival to ice in 48 hours. Nothing prepared for it. Then Patagonia, and wow, what a scene. Some places you photograph, some places you just put the camera down and look. Then something completely different. Humberstone, and an abandoned town, a ghost town, but everything is still there, kept exactly as it was, like a museum where the people just walk out one day and never came back. You walk through it and you can hear how quiet it is.
White chest and like that. Putting it here. It's another rock formation. Stop. Maybe the candelabra was a navigation symbol.
Then Peru said, "Come on, let's have another adventure." Wine, Pisco tasting, and an oasis, a real oasis, standing in the middle of desert, then just flying over dunes. Actually flying. Next day, more ruins. And finally, I met my Tiffany's family. If you know, you know, I'm saying goodbye to one of the Tiff's moms, but one of the sweetest and the hardest farewells on the whole trip. Panama is just wonderful, a world life, the view, every direction was a picture.
Know each other.
And then the Caribbean, my second home. It was waiting for me, and honestly, I felt it like that.
Please, do you want some lemon squeeze on it? Shake. Yeah.
Finally back in Europe, I visited a tea factory and I made myself a promise there. I'm not gonna tell you what it is yet, not today. Ask me again soon. So that's it. That was 67 days on ocean and very short recap. But every single of those places has its own full videos on my channel. Carnival, Antarctica, the ghost town oasis, all of this setting in my channel waiting for you. So here's the thing, that what you need to do. Pick one, just one, whichever place you want to go, and just watch it. If you are new here, I live, work on a ship and travel for a living. I share it all here. Subscribe and join me. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.